If Facebook won't delete your old posts after 30 days, you're missing the bulk removal trick, and here's how ReputationZilla fixes it in 48 hours. Here's the problem. Facebook hides the mass delete button on purpose. Archive your entire timeline in one click using Facebook's activity log filter. Takes 90 seconds. Schedule bulk deletions with third-party tools like Social Book Post Manager. Removes 500 posts in 12 minutes. Facebook doesn't let you delete everything at once because they want your data. You posted embarrassing stuff in 2014. A recruiter finds it in 2026. Your job offer gets pulled 24 hours before signing. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to scrub old social media content before it costs you opportunities. Every day those posts stay up, they are searchable by employers, schools, even your competitors. Most people fail here. They try manually deleting posts one by one. Facebook caps you at 50 deletions per hour to slow you down. If you have 3,000 posts from the last 12 years, you're looking at 60 hours of clicking. That's why people quit after day 2. With ReputationZilla we automate the entire scrub, target policy-violating content first, and finish in 48 hours flat. Go to Facebook settings, click Activity Log, filter by year. Select 2014 to 2020. Bulk hide from timeline in 4 clicks. This doesn't delete, it just makes posts invisible to the public. Takes 3 minutes per year. If you need permanent removal, ReputationZilla handles the deletion queue for you and confirms every post is gone within 2 days. Download Social Book Post Manager extension for Chrome. Connect your Facebook account. Set filters to posts older than 30 days. Click Delete All. This is important. Facebook will throttle you after 200 deletions in one session. Close the browser, wait 6 hours, repeat. With ReputationZilla we run deletions across multiple IP addresses so Facebook never flags your account. Here's the problem. Path A is doing it yourself. You spend 60 hours over 3 weeks, Facebook shadow bans your account halfway through, and 40% of your posts are still visible. Path B is letting ReputationZilla handle it. We delete 100% of flagged content in 48 hours, rotate sessions to avoid bans, and confirm removal with screenshots. Cost difference is $150. Time difference is 58 hours. Here's the exact wording to use if Facebook blocks your bulk deletion. Go to Help Center, click Report a Problem, paste this script word for word. I am attempting to remove content from my timeline that violates my privacy under GDPR Article 17. I have submitted multiple deletion requests through Activity Log and the requests are being ignored. I need confirmation that all posts from January 2014 to December 2020 are permanently deleted within 30 days per your data policy. Request ID, insert your timestamp. This forces Facebook to escalate your ticket to a human reviewer. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. Use this exact phrase, by Friday I will know if Facebook content removal after 30 days possible moved my one number. Use Activity Log Bulk Hide for quick cleanup. Install Social Book Manager for mass deletion. Stop wasting weeks. ReputationZilla does it in 48 hours. Link in description. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.